Okay, so as I mentioned, we're going to do a course introduction here. Let me start this course introduction by saying welcome. I'm so happy that you have decided to join me for this CCNA security course. Now, who is this course for? Well, the answer is really pretty simple. This course is for those who have decided to pursue the CCNA security certification. So if you are a CCNA security candidate, if you're one of those guys, one of those gals, if you're one of those people, this is the right place for you. Now, it's also for network security professionals. Now, when I say network security professional, this could be anyone who works in security as it relates to data networking, maybe particularly on Juniper devices, or maybe you work in network security in some other aspect of the business, but you're really not familiar with Cisco technology. Well, then this is a good starting place if you'd like to learn a little bit more about Cisco network security. So, CCNA security candidates, network security professionals, and anything that would kind of fall underneath that title there, you're in the right place. Now, you don't necessarily just want to jump right into a course like this. So there are some prerequisites. Now, I wouldn't say that these are hard prerequisites, but what I would say is that it's a really good idea if you have the CCENT certification from Cisco. Now, that's the Cisco Certified Entry Network Technician. That's someone who has some ability with basic networking fundamentals. Now, you can go ahead and check out the Learning Network, Cisco Learning Network, to find out more information about that CCENT certification. But if you don't have it, then really I guess what I would say is you want to have some basic computer networking skills. So you understand IP addresses, that they're 32 bits and dotted decimal, and that they uniquely identify devices on a layer 3 network, that kind of stuff. Some basics on what spanning tree is, maybe how layer 2 switches work, that kind of stuff. Not real deep details, but you want to have a fundamental networking knowledge. You also should probably have some basic understanding of computer systems. And you also need to have some basic internet navigation skills. That'll help you out a whole lot as you go through your studies here. Now, what kind of course topics are we talking about? Well, with this course, we're going to start out by taking a look at some common security principles. Then we're going to look at common security threats, some things that we see in the network that pose a threat to maybe the integrity of our data or the operation of our network. We're also going to talk about cryptography and some concepts there. Encryption is really what we're talking about there, providing confidential data transfer and that type of stuff. And we're going to talk network topologies. So those are the course topics that we're going to cover in this first course of 6 in the series. Now, what about labs? Well, we are going to do some hands-on labs. I personally feel that hands-on experience is a must. It's an absolute must. So, in this course, what we're going to do for labs is we're going to use the Cisco VIRL product. That's the Virtual Internet Routing Lab. And you can see the website here. It's virl.cisco.com, VIRL. And so we're going to use VIRL. Really what you should do if you're not familiar with Cisco VIRL for lab studies is go check out our course in our Pluralsight library, which is using Cisco VIRL for CCENT and CCNA studies. And that'll get you a good start into using VIRL as you go through this course for our lab exercises. So we're going to run VIRL in a virtualized environment. We're also going to tap into a couple of other virtual machines just a little bit as we go through the labs. But when we come across those lab exercises, I'll discuss that information in detail. But you definitely do want to have some hands-on experience as we go through this.